Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about Unit 4 Atom Structure Book Back Question Answers. Now we are first discussing about first one. Choose the best answer. Choose the applicating answer. Question number 1. The basic unit of matter is dash. Okay, so the basic unit of matter is dash. So the answer is B, atom. Correct. So after only if element molecules, okay, and then subatomic particles of electron. So if a basic unit of matter is called atom, the atom only answer. The second one, the subatomic particles resolving around the nucleus. So atom is not a subatomic particle, neutron subatomic particle, and proton also subatomic particle. But is a B and D, proton and neutron is not surrounding the atoms. So only C, the electron only surrounding them around the atoms. Okay, so answer is C. Answer is C. And third one, dash is a positively charged. So dash the positively charged. Then A answer, proton is a positive charge, electron is negative charge, and neutron is neutral charge, and molecules if a combining of one or two atoms, that is molecules. Okay, so if your answer is A, protons. And then atomic number of atom, then atomic number of an atom is dash. If a atomic number of atoms is atom is dash is a number of protons, because all atoms if equal of protons and electron value. Okay, so if you calculating the atomic number, if electron number is always same, so answer is B, number of protons, that is the answer. Okay, and fifth one, nucleons comparis of dash. So nucleons comparis dash proton and neutrons. So nucleons is mean if a center of the atom if a subatomic particle of proton and neutron, if a combination of nucleus. Okay, so if a nucleons is comparing of proton and neutron combination of value, so its answer is C. Okay, and then filling the blanks, so second Roman letter, so filling the blanks, the smaller particles found in a atom are called dash. The smaller particles found in atoms are called dash. Subatomic particle, that is electron, proton, neutron. Then the three particles is called subatomic particle, very smaller particle. Okay. Second one, the nucleus as dash and dash. If you already is explained for question number 5. Okay, so choose the best answer. That is the same. If a nucleus is mean proton and neutron combination is called a nucleus. That is the answer, protons and neutrons. Okay, and third one, dash, the dash resolving the around the nucleus is already explained for question number 2. Okay, so if electron is also for resolving around in the nucleus. Okay, and if if a valency of carbon is 4 and of hydrogen is 1, the molecular formula for the methane. So molecular formula of methane, CH4. Okay, so if a carbon is 4 and hydrogen is 1, it's always 1. So what is the molecular formula of methane? If you CH4, that is the answer, question number 4 of filling the blanks. Okay, and then question number 5. There are two electrons in the outermost of orbit in a magnesium atom. So hence the valency of magnesium, if a magnesium, his atomic number is 12, his mass number is 24. Okay, his atomic number 12 is mean electron counting is 12. So if you fill in the orbit 2 comma 8, that is meaning of 10. The remaining of 2 electrons is K cell. So if a value is 2, the valency is 2 electrons of the magnesium. Okay, that is the answer. And third one, if you match the following. Okay, so if you match the following, valency, if you given for of this side, valency, neutral particles, iron and hydrogen, positive charge of particles. Okay, and what is the valency? If a valency, if you explained of electrons in the outermost of orbit. Okay, so if you first one if it's mean of first one is C. Okay, so first one is C. And then if neutral particles, what is a neutral particle? If a neutral particle is neutron only, correct? If a subatomic particle, so if a second one, second neutral particle is an neutron, if a second is D. Okay, And iron, so what is a iron? If iron is a symbol of Fe, okay, ferric. So if the value of third one is A, okay. And then hydrogen, so hydrogen, so what is a hydrogen? Hydrogen is a if you monovalent, mono is single, okay. So single valent, if you are atomic number 1, mass number 1, so that is in valency of value 1. So if you monovalent, if your fourth one is a E, okay, positive charge of particle. Positive charge of particle is a subatomic particle of proton. So if your fifth one is B, okay, that is a match the following of answer. And state the true or false. In the false is mean correct statement is we explained, okay. So what is the first question? The basic unit of element is molecules. If the basic unit of elements is molecules, okay, is already explained question number 1. If a basic unit of matter is atom, that is the same only for here. Then basic unit of element is molecule is false. And then answer is molecules. If you strike out, then it replacing writing of atom, okay. So the electrons are positively charged, okay. What is a positively charged? Is already explained, no. If a positively charged is mean proton only, okay. So the question number third, dash is positive charged, proton is positive charged. But here if electron are positively charged, then false only. If a positively charged, no. If a negative charge of electron, okay. And an electron, an atom is electrically neutral, okay. So in an atom is electrically neutral, correct only. So if it true, because if inside the atom positive of occupations, and outside the atoms if electron is occupation, so positive plus negative is neutral only, okay. So the nucleus is surrounded by protons, okay. The nucleus is surrounded by protons, is not, is not right. If you false only, because if you is not a protons, electron only around in the nucleus, correct only, no. So if a fourth one is false, then answer is electron, okay. Complete the analog, okay. Sun, if you comparing of nucleus, planets is electron, okay. If a center of the sun, if you comparing of nucleus is mean, if you resolving of all the planets is electron only, okay. So atomic number is a number of protons. Mass number, if a number of protons and neutrons, correct or not? Okay. If atomic number is to calculate the based on protons, and mass number is based on proton plus neutron combination, okay. The K is potassium, the C is carbon, okay. That is the fifth one for complete analog, okay. And then sixth one, considering the following statement and choose the correct of option. And Roman letter 6, assertion and reason. The first one, then assertion. An atom is electrically neutral, okay. And reason, and atoms have equal number of protons and electrons, correct. So what is the answer? The both assertion and reason are true. The reason is correct explanation of assertion, okay. That is the answer, because is already explained. If a neutral charges of, sorry, inside the nucleus is positively charged, and if your surrounding the electron is negative charged, so if your atom is always is neutral, okay. And second one, if you second one, the mass of an atom is the mass of nucleus. The nucleus is in the center. Both assertion and reason are true, and the reason is correct explanation of assertion, okay. If you calculate the mass value, if you only for of nucleus only, because proton and neutron combination is called mass number, because if you center of point, that is the correct reason. And third one, the number of protons and neutrons is atomic number, okay. So the number of protons and neutrons is atomic number. The mass is a sum of the protons and neutrons, okay. So first one is maybe fault, okay. So then mass number, if you calculate if number of protons and neutrons is atomic number only for of neutron electrons only, okay. So the atomic number mass number only for protons and neutrons counting. So assertion is false, but reason is true statement, okay. The mass number sum of protons and neutrons, right only, okay. And that is an reason and assertion and reason of answer, okay. And give the very short, answer, students. If you just now explain of a short answer, very short answer, and if you given of answer details also and answer briefly now explain here. If you want classwork, if you write the classwork, just mute that the video and write it the question answers. Okay, what I'm explained after you will be here. Okay, now if you suppose if you write the writing the classwork, just video just this video is mute and write it that this page. Okay, then for questions now I showed now. Okay, and first question, define an atom, and if a atom is the smallest particle of a chemical element, then the relations is a chemical of properties. Okay, that is the answer. Now you mute and write it. Okay, that's only then correct. Okay, now if you name of the subatomic particles, proton, neutron and electron, and what is the atomic number, and what is the atomic number, if a number of electrons and protons and atom is called atomic number of the atoms if a reference symbol of Z. Okay, and what is the characteristics of protons, what is the characteristics of protons, and what is why the neutrons called neutral particles. If you page number 45, that is the answer. Okay, so page number 45, what is the characteristics of protons and why neutrons is called neutral particles. Okay, and if you very give the short answer or answer is briefly roman letter 8. Okay, and the if you different of isotones and isobar, isotones and isobar page number 47 in your book. Suppose if you write the answer in a guide, if you mute the pages now in this video and write it them. Okay, and what are the isotones is one examples. Okay, so what is the isotones? If isotones is the definition, if uh, tones is definition, if isotones are atoms are different elements which are the same number of neutrons. Okay, neutron value is always same. If a carbon, if a 13 minus 6 is mean mass number 13 and atomic number is 6, if a neutron value is 7. Okay, so if in nitrogen it's also for neutron value 7, that is called of examples of isotones. Okay, now I will show the differences mass and number and atomic number. Okay, so what is the atomic number and what is the mass number? If a number of electrons or protons on the atom is called atomic number of the atom. The number of protons and neutrons is present in the nucleus is called of mass number of atoms. Okay, that is the symbol is given and also examples is given. Just mute and write the third question. And then fourth question, if the atomic number of the elements is 9, is a 10 neutrons, and find the elements from of the periodic table, what will be the mass number. Okay, if a number, if a element's name is fluorines, okay, so symbol is F, then mass number is A formula N plus P. Okay, so N is a neutron value and P is a proton value. 10 plus 9 19, so mass number is 19. Okay, that is the answer. And then answer the details. Children's, just you mute and write the answer. First one, draw the atom structure, explain the position of subatomic particles. Okay, you see clearly what is the atom and what is the subatomic particles. If you also marked for of protons, neutrons, electrons and nucleus also. Okay, and given an answer, protons of subatomic particles, atoms consists of 3 subatomic particle, given the some of explanation for of proton and electron and neutron also. Okay, and second question, the atomic number of mass number and elements 26 and 56. Okay, so if you calculate the number of electrons, protons and neutrons value is also drawing is valency of drawing of orbit important also. Okay, if you given an answer question, atomic number A 26, atomic number is at 26, mass number A 56, just you changes the symbol. Atomic number is Z, it's not A. Okay, so mass number is 56. Okay, if we calculate them, number of protons, number of electrons, number of neutrons also. Okay, the number of the name of the elements is Fe for of iron. So if the number of protons 26, the mass value if you calculate this mean 56 is equal to n plus 26. Okay, so if 56 minus if in number of neutrons value if you calculate this mean, if you given up mass value and protons value, correct no, so neutrons value, so if you change the formula, 56 minus 26, his answer is 13. And elements of protons, number of electrons is equal always. Okay, so electrons and protons value is equal, also answer 26. Structure of atom. Okay, first orbit is 2, second orbit is 8. Okay, and the third orbit, if you 10. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so 12, the remaining of value is 2. The 2, the value of valency of value. Okay, so and then what are the nucleus? What are the nucleus and why are they are so called? Write the properties of nucleus. Okay, so if you given an answer, what are the nucleus, first value, and second is properties of nucleus is all nucleons is always given. Okay, just mute and write the answer for of this question. Okay, and then define the valency. What is the valency of elements and what are the atomic number of 8? What is the component of electrons is hydrogen? Okay, so that is also for given of 2n square formula, quantum formula. Okay, so valency is defined the combining of capacity of element. Valency is element is atomic number of 8. If number of elements, oxygen 0, atomic number is 8, oxygen symbol is O, atomic number is 8 and valency is 2. Okay, H2O is a water. If oxygen hydrogen are combining, if familiar of oxygen components, if you value 1 is to 2, the ratio also explained. Okay, now if you last question based on higher order thinking skill. Okay, just I give a show the one question number Roman letter 10. That question alone, you write it for rough your note. Also 2 questions is given, just mute and write it them this pages also. Okay, see, first question answer the 4 points, second question answer is also 4 point. Just you mute and write it the your classwork note. Thank you children, have a good day. In this class we discussing about fourth lesson revision. Okay, thank you.